1926 Douglas AW 350, 350cc, twin cylinder, 60mm stroke by 60.8 bore, 3-speed with the gear change in the centre of the tank, clutch, and the clutch is in the flywheel, a single plate clutch. Good brakes for the year. It was the first bike Douglas made where they went onto balloon tyres, because until then they were on beaded edge, which were quite hard and square. Set line light and set, good reliable, starts first kick every time. I'll just show you. Don't bother when I can get my leg up onto there. Quite fast. When they advertised them in 1926, Douglas had on the advert that they would do one at Brooklands had been timed at 71.64 mile an hour, a bog standard bike with everything on it. So good, but very reliable, nice bike to ride, very usable. Has an automatic oil pump on as well as a hand pump, so once you go on you don't need touch it. It's just a nice reliable bike.